Alright folks, at this step here, we took all of these bad spots and we are basically sanding it down to metal. That we got a nice clean surface. I'm using a wire wheel right now. And what we're doing is, you see, we're getting it down the middle. And that's basically what we got to do to every one of these spots. Let's get them down the middle. Then we got to go back, clean it all up with some acetone. And once we get to that point, this side over here, I'll probably end up redoing this whole side over here. And skimming it in. What we're going to do is make this texture here along the rough side with some heavy grit paper. That way we got something to adhere to. In the front here, you can see over there where they tried using spray paint to patch it. And that's down there in the bottom. They've done to a few spots in here. Closely, I can see it. All that spray paint has to come up, get off of there. In my screw bucket, I got a bunch of old flathead screws, bolts, some square head nuts. They're gonna be all going back on here. Right now I got the top on it. Just see how it all lays out. But you know, it cleaned up pretty good. I just wiped it down real quick. And the portion does still shine. You see here where they use some spray paint. But I'm gonna go back and fix all that. Get all that nasty spray paint off there. I forgot to show you the next step in it. Thanks, folks.